Welcome back to workshop prep and delivery. So you are almost ready to deliver your workshop. Very exciting. So what you're going to do at this point, if you haven't already started, is get this workshop templates and you're going to remix it. So you'll only have view authority. So you're probably going to have to do file and make a copy. And you can leave this stuff or delete it. But what we're looking for is a title, a brief description that we can use at registration, 1 to 3 learning objectives. If there's any material that you're expecting the participants to have available, and remember, we want to make this as accessible as possible. What community building activity you chose to kick off your workshop, what equitable teaching strategy you're going to focus on, and then just a set of high-level steps that you'll go through during your workshop. And if you even wanted to identify like what you think the timing is going to be, like this will take 5 minutes, this will take 10, this will take 15, that'll just help you when you're actually doing the workshop live, but it's not required. So you're going to finish that up. And then, yeah, we did this. If you need an example, here's an example of doing some intro to HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So we've got a little overview, learning objectives, material. So this is an online tool that happens to be free, but if you want to save the work, you have to have an account. Also, it's still free. The community building activities was the 20 questions. I'm going to focus on a growth mindset and experimentation culture. And then I put my activities here. And as you can see, I did try to do the timing to think about what it was going to take. All right. Whew. So you've done that. What next? Okay. So you're going to submit your workshop documentation. And there's a few steps to this. One is you're going to complete this brief reflection form. And this is just a way to let me know that you're done. And we also need to know how many participants would be the maximum that you'd like to have. And if having another workshop assistant would help you add more participants. We'd also like to know what was helpful about this training and what can be improved. I'm really excited because I am a student in the University of Virginia School of Education. And so one of the things I've always wanted to do with Tech Girls is actually do some research so we can show that the things that we're doing are actually making an impact. And so this is the first project that I get to do this with. I'm very excited. So I hope that you'll be willing to be a part of this research. On your part, the only extra ad that we're asking is at the end of your workshop that there's another survey that you fill out to kind of find out what that experience was like for you. And we hope that we'll be iterating on this whole process to make it better for you and for the participants. And then just, do you have any questions before you get ready to sign up for a workshop time? So that will come out later. We're still trying to figure out when we're going to start scheduling these out. And so I'll probably use Calendly or something like that so you can sign up for a particular slot. And we will host the workshop over Zoom. Tech Girls has a Zoom account now, so we'll be hosting those. So you don't have to worry about the hosting part, but do make sure that you're familiar with Zoom. And, you know, you've used it before. I'm sure you have at this point. And for your first time you deliver your workshop, you'll definitely have somebody there who is going to be the sort of MC, making sure things run smoothly and stuff like that. Once we get this process going, we're hoping that we'll be able to have workshop leaders do more things more independently. But in the beginning, for sure, there's going to be support and everything that you hopefully need for that. So I think that's it. So looking forward to working together with you and inspiring the next generation in computer science and STEM. Thanks.